From the coins alert, everything in this movie is summed up. Plus, don't forget to like and subscribe to my station to get more XRP news and news about other cryptocurrencies. Take a look at this. Following the SEC appeal and Ripple case, XRP whales move large amounts of money. Now before we go any further, there is a new crypto airdrop going on Telegram that will soon start. Make sure you take part in this airdrop. You can find the link in the video's name. Take advantage of this. Let's watch the rest of the movie. Recent changes in the sexist case against Ripple have caused XRP whales to move a lot of XRP in response to the situation. Instead of going with the final decision that Judge Annalisa Torres made in the case, the Securities and Exchange Commission has decided to file an appeal. Because of this move on the blockchain, the market price of XRP has also gone down. The CC is making an appeal in the Ripple case. Whale Alert, a blockchain transaction tracker, says that there have been 3 large XRP whale trades in the last 24 hours. There are over 153 million different coins involved in these deals. The third transaction was a transfer between wallets that were not known to each other. The first 2 transactions were payments to cryptocurrency exchanges. The cost of XRP has gone down by about 1% in the last 24 hours. Because the SEC made an appeal about whales' actions, XRPs are worth 52 cents right now, and they've gone as low as 51 cents and as high as 53 cents during the trading session. Also, the amount of trading has gone down by 33%, hitting $1.96 billion. What happens when you lead whales? There has also been less interest in the XRP trading markets. Open interest in XRP futures dropped by 7 and is now worth $679 million. It's thought that the amount of swaps has gone down by 42%. Bill Morgan, an attorney who supports XRP, said that the SEC's appeal is a big loss for the community and could mean the start of a new bull market. Morgan said there is still a good chance that Ripple will file a counter-appeal with the court. The SEC has not yet sent Form C to the Second Circuit, which would allow the agency to explain what it is appealing, he said. Many market experts believe that the SEC's appeal in the Ripple case has made people question the future of XRP. People in the market should keep a close eye on these changes and make plans based on how the market is doing at the time. There have been reports of big changes in XRP because the SEC and Ripple are still in court. This is an interesting response to the current legal dispute. XRP users who hold a lot of the cryptocurrency are trading a lot because the Securities and Exchange Commission wants to appeal the recent ruling by Judge Annalisa Torres. What kinds of deals did XRP whales handle? The latest data from Whale Alert shows that more than 153 million XRP changed hands in 3 big deals in just one day. A lot of activity was going on among the big players in the market, as shown by the fact that 2 of these transactions went to cryptocurrency platforms and the third one stayed an anonymous exchange between wallets. How has this changed the price of XRP? As a result of the SEC's appeal and the whale trade that has happened, the price of XRP has dropped by almost 1% to 52 cents. Similarly, the trade volume has dropped significantly by 33% to a total of $1.96 billion. This shows that the market is very tense right now. Transactions involving whales show how people are reacting strategically to news about regulations. There are 7 less open positions in the XRP futures market, which shows that market activity is going down. Since there is still a lot of doubt about XR, people in the market should stay alert. People who study the market stress how important it is to keep a close eye on how things are always changing. New doubt has been created by the SEC's appeal, which means that stakeholders may need to change their plans. The United States Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) has filed an appeal against a decision that says XRP is not a security when it comes to trading on platforms. The Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) said that Gerber Gruel was stepping down as soon as the appeal was sent in. Since this news came out, there have been questions about what might happen with the SEC vs. Ripple action and Gruel's role in the case between the SEC and Ripple. As of 2021, Gruel was in charge of prosecution at the Securities and Exchange Commission. He is going to quit the government for good on October 11th. During his time at the Securities and Exchange Commission, Gruel was often called an anti-crypto director because of the way he regulated and enforced crypto. It was his main job to make sure that no one broke the rules, change the fines for people who did, and punish people who did not follow them. While Gruel was in charge, the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) looked into more than 2,400 enforcement cases. These cases led to over $20 billion in refunds and fines for Bitcoin companies. Over the course of 3 years, Gruel oversaw more than 100 enforcement cases against cryptocurrency companies. One of the most talked about topics since Gruel took office is the ongoing legal battle between Ripple and the SEC. A group from the Securities and Exchange Commission called For this case, selling unregistered XRP stocks in the year 2020, Ripple and the SEC were able to have some success. According to the court, Ripple sold XRP to institutional buyers. The Securities and Exchange Commission wanted a $2 billion fine for this. The blockchain company, on the other hand, replied to the idea by giving $10 million, as opposed to that. As KF said earlier, the court ruled that Ripple should have to pay a $125 million fine. However, Gruhl filed an appeal, saying that the district court's decision about Ripple was completely different from what had been done in the past for decades. Gruhl was the Attorney General of New Jersey from 2018 to 2021 before he became a member of the Securities and Exchange Commission. Aside from that, he was the lawyer for Bergen County, which has the most people in northern New Jersey. The Securities and Exchange Commission can use the information they need against Ripple more effectively because he is a skilled and experienced prosecutor. What are the next steps for the CC's case against Ripple's XRP now that Gruhl has quit? Having just turned in his letter of resignation, investors are now wondering what will happen next in answer to the appeal. This person, who was deputy director of the enforcement division before, will now be interim director. He will replace Wadwaj as temporary deputy director. Sam Walden, who is the head of the enforcement division's legal department, is currently in that position. For more than 20 years, the Securities and Exchange Commission has used information that was not meant to be trade advice. This page does not take responsibility for any decisions that are made based on the information on it. Before making an investment choice, you should definitely do your own research and talk to a professional who knows what they're talking about.